Yo, what's the deal? It's your boy Rich here. I'm back with another video, and today, guys, I got a quick unboxing for y'all. Finally, which I just got in today. Said it was coming in tomorrow, which is Saturday. Today's Friday. I'm recording this. B-179 Def Solomon. You guys, lift this up a little bit, and boom, there you go. All the info from the front. Super King, y'all know, Super King Bay, Sparking Bay. So guys, here we got the Solomon chip, guys, which is a right spin chip, which they say is the best right spin chip. So yeah, I'm gonna go with that. That's the best right spin chip for Sparking. So, which is rumored and said. This here's the Death Ring, which comes with Death Diabolos, which I believe comes in a random booster. Let me see, 21, I believe, something like that. 21 or something like that. Yeah, and then we have 2B right here, which is a double chassis. And if you don't know what a double chassis is, double chassis is the secondary part that's in Sparking that you don't need to, that you can't use a disc with it, because there's a disc already built inside of it. But the single chassis, which is different, they take a you can also use discs. Actually, it shows right there if you pay attention. Single chassis right there and double there. Shows you how it works, whatever. For you newcomers, and yeah. And then last but not least, we have Metal Fusion. And one thing, guys, warning, big warning on this driver. Get him right there. Boom. Big warning on the driver. Yeah, it grinds your teeth. I mean, well, yeah. Dang, man, that didn't sound right. But yeah, it grinds your BeyBlade teeth, man. And which means that they will be grinded faster than usual. Worn down, grinded, whatever to say. I say grinded down, whatever the hell, because that's exactly what it's going to do to your drivers. So that's what I'm saying, grinded instead of wearing down. But yeah, that's that. And yeah, so let's get into this unboxing. You feels me? So yeah, I'm really hyped for not Super King. Super King's over, but Dynamite Battle DB. I'm really hyped for that. Dang, I ain't pulling no rare, guys, but there we go. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I ain't do that way. Okay. So yeah, I'm really hyped for Dynamite Battle. I'm sorry, I'm just distracted. Trying to get this open right now. Don't know why, but I am. But yeah, I'm just hyped for Dynamite Battle coming out, because I was able to get the first season stuff ordered for you guys. Or for me and you guys. I want to have it, but yeah, got the pre-order set up. So when Dynamite BeyBlade comes out, BeyBlade, whatever it's called, I will be getting that. And then I also will be getting another Dynamite BeyBlade with the set, because I got that too. And then last but not least, I got the random booster, because you know I've seen the new Ragnarok. My niece Treasure, she loves Ragnarok, and I like Ragnarok too. It's pretty cool, but it's just sucks because it don't have good burst resistance, but yeah, to get all these parts out first and go one by one, and yeah, and yeah, man, my niece loves Ragnarok, so, and then they have Dragoon V2. And if you don't know, when I was younger, I got that Bay for Christmas, you know, mom's got it for me, rest in peace, and stuff like that. But yeah, man, mom's got me there when I was younger, man, and it's been one of my favorite bays ever since, man. I was blading, dude, and that bay and Dronzer, all that stuff. But enough with that. On to the back to the unboxing. We got the Solomon chip right here, and as you can see, you see Solomon's face here, and then you see the metal. Yeah, that's metal for sure, and it's metal here and there. Then next we have the Death Ring, you guys. And this comes originally on Death Diabolos, and really this ring is not too great. It looks dope as hell, don't get me wrong, it looks very dope. But it's just not all that. But yeah. So I'll slap this chip onto. It's kind of not as I thought. You lock the chip in. Valkyrie's pretty tight when you lock his chip in. Different from this one, because if you notice, look at this. You see how easy that was to twist out? That was just like way too easy. But there you go, right there. Death Solomon, you guys. There goes the slopes. See that? Yeah. So next up we have 2B, and you originally get this. If you want to get this right here, can't get this bag. Which if you could get this one, you should be able to get World Spriggan. Honestly, I'm just being real. You originally get this chassis on World Spriggan. So yeah, World Spriggan. Now this is a second way for you to get this chassis right here. If you want to be in, you can get a red one. So, you know, depending on what bay you want, or if you want to get it just because of the chassis, you can get the gold 2B with World Spriggan, or you can get the red one, which comes with the Solomon, Death Solomon. And then, last but not least, guys, we have the grinder. Lord have mercy, I don't know what TT was thinking about this, but dude, it's pretty much a dash driver, right? Gold spring and all inside, but, let me see some. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And by the way, my printer is in the back printing a new Ultras, by the way, you guys, so be on the lookout for that. But so if you can hear that in the back, that's what that is. But this metal right here grinds the teeth. See those up in there, guys? Those are the teeth. Yeah, grinds those things down every time you lock it in. So every time the things come apart, you lock the thing in on a single chassis bay or a regular bay, yeah, you better watch out, because it's going to get rid of the parts out. And really, I'm going to keep it hot. Don't even try to put these on a 3D printed base, because, man, yeah, just don't try it. I wouldn't try it. I don't know. If y'all tried it and it worked, let me know. But I'm not going to try that. But, yeah, this thing is very, like, kind of hard down to push, but what we're gonna do is gonna get this bad boy put together. There we go. Boom, look at that. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, see, when you push when you put it on a double chassis, at least with this, when you push in and slide, I'm not sure if that will make it. I don't know if it's the clicks that makes it wear down the teeth faster, or it just being in there period, because you can push it down and then that's when it slides, you know what I mean? But then you're pushing against it, so it's still probably doing the same thing. I don't know, but here it goes though. I want y'all to get a good look. Def Solomon right there for you guys. Fiery red with that what is that, sparkle with those that orange with the sparkles in it. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a big fan of that type of plastic, man. I don't know what it, man. I don't know, it just makes different plastics pop when it's like that clear and got all that glitter stuff up in there. I ain't gonna lie, man, that shit be looking crazy. It looks dope, makes it pop out a little bit more, give it a little bit more flavor. But yeah, that's that. And I'm gonna keep it high with y'all. I got a whole bunch of all my last bays that y'all see me get, right? I ain't putting no stickers on none of them, and I'm gonna do the same for this because I don't have the time, man. This thing is I don't feel like doing. I'll probably put the driver sticker on, but other than that, I won't be putting these stickers on. Maybe one day I get bored and end up putting all the stickers on those bays. You know what I'm saying? Just give me something to do. But till then, I'm not messing around with that. But yeah, man, that was the unboxing right there, man. Def Solomon right there, y'all. B-179, last sparking release, Super King. You feel what I'm saying? So if y'all like the video, do your boy a favor, follow me on Instagram at Rizzy Saragami. And also, what else is there to do? Oh, hit that subscribe button and that like button too. Oh, and if you can, hit that share button too. Help your boy. I'm trying to hit that 100 subscriber mark, so you know what I'm saying. Help me out, and if you need some help, I'll help you out too. So just let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. Y'all know the drill. Share if you like, and yeah, man, blade on. Peace, deuces. I'm out of here. All right, you guys. So I'm back, and what I'm about to do is we're about to test Def Solomon real quick and see how it does against Valkyrie, Spriggan, and Wyvern. So we're gonna see how that goes. Let's get it. That's 1 point. We got 1 point. We're only going to go up to 2 each. This is a test. I don't know who took that. It looked like Wyvern could have won that, but so that thing trying to get a burst in. I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, Wyvern actually won. Okay. That's 2, so this be Wyvern, but I ain't gonna lie, Wyvern gave it a click. Funny. Okay. There's one to Valkyrie. That was a draw. Okay, that's 2 Valkyrie. Couldn't beat it. Next, World Spriggan. Just one Spriggan. I lost that second. Let see what's Spriggan. They're trying to land on the tank, but Spriggan's just eating them. That ring around the rosy. I'm not trying to be caught, but it's only inevitable. It's gonna happen. Oh, and Death actually takes it that time. Okay, so that's it, guys. So it was able to beat Wyvern barely, but then couldn't beat Spriggan and Valkyrie. They smashed them. But yeah, guys, that was the video.